Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes. Welcome back to my channel.
Boom shakalaka!
To the DEIVED channel, Deived channel, where I talk about stocks, crypto, and I even do music. Yes, I do some music, and not only that, bro, I'm doing blogs. So if you like that type of content, guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to smash the like button. Today is a very interesting day, guys. Let me know what company or crypto you're keeping an eye on. I got a few, like for example, Tesla, Micron, Apple, you know, a lot of AI plays. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And I even got some news from Puerto Rico that I want to discuss with all of you. I think it's very, very important since I am from Puerto Rico and there's some great information coming out of that. But anyways, get your cafefe ready, guys. We're going to review the stock market heat maps, crypto bubbles, super chill, FOMC week, retail sales surprised, and techs moving. Say hi in the chat with your top ticker or coin. Let's spin a few. Like I said, smash the subscribe so you don't miss these mornings. Quick roll call. Where are you watching from? If you're Team Tesla, drop a car. If you're Micron, drop a floppy disk, if you know what that is. If you're Team Apple, drop an apple. And members, get emotes, so spam them. Okay, guys? Let's get it. Let's look at the futures. Futures today, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Futures S&P 0.3% up. Nasdaq 0.2% up. And Senate confirmed Stephen Miran to the Fed board ahead of tomorrow's decision. 10-year 4.07%. We'll listen for guidance tone more than the cut. Okay, guys. Retail sales, very, very important. Retail sales coming up. He says over here that August retail sales 0.6% month over month, 5% up year over year. Non-store 10.1% year over year, and restaurants 6.5%. Strong consumer, instant pivot parade still doesn't block a cut tomorrow, guys. So this seems like there is a lot of signs that there could be a rate cut. We'll have to wait and find out. You already know, guys. I'm always waiting for the information. I can't be like celebrating before. But anyways, I got a few things that I gotta talk with all of you. Like for example, let's go ahead and pull up the charts. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Cardano did drop down, but it seems like we can go up again. But anyways, Tesla, guys, yesterday closing at 410. Today, $415. I told you guys that we were gonna go down. Some people were gonna take profits. I told you already, guys. But it says over here, writing Musk's $1 billion plus buy. Berlin output is up. And wartime CEO narrative. That's why we are actually going up. We went as high as 426. And we had to go back down to 409, 410. Still up, guys, from our entries at 220s, 250s. Doing very, very well. We're still not overbought in the weekly, so something that you want to watch out because the daily is overbought. We're getting to the resistance, and we'll see what happens there. Okay, be very, very careful. Now let's go to Micron, MU, guys, MU, Micron Technology. Let's get it. Micron Technology as expected, guys. Look at that. We are at 158. Citibank has a 175 target. Mizuho take profit 182, guys. Mizuho has upped his target, bro. So let's go ahead and move that, bro. 182. Not Blink 182, which by the way I'm gonna see Blink 182 this Friday, bro. I'm going to the Riot Fest. My favorite band, by the way. Welcome, Keanu Reeves. Am I from Ireland? No. Soy de Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. W's. From Puerto Rico, living in Chicago, my bro. But I appreciate. Are you watching from Ireland? That's awesome if you are, bro. I appreciate that. But we can see over here that Mizuho has a target of 182, which is great. And HBM demand, NVIDIA GB300 now, Rubin HBM4 later. So since we are touching the subject of Nvidia, let's get it, because you already know that these companies like Micron and Nvidia, they're all tied up together because manufacturing not necessarily comes from one company. So Nvidia doesn't necessarily manufacture; they actually get the idea and they manufacture with other companies. But it says over here, Nvidia China RTX 6000D demand antitrust noise. Company says it'll cooperate. So they will be cooperating with the China government regarding this situation. But you can see over here that we got a lot of great targets. From 177 we can go to 250. That's what Loop Capital says we can achieve. Yeah, Chicago is beautiful. I love Chicago. Obviously good and bad like any place, but Chicago for me is the best representation when humans get together and create amazing things. Beautiful city, clean city. Obviously there's some areas that are not good. I wish all of the Illinois would be awesome, but Chicago is such a beautiful city. Like I said, a lot of working people, very hardworking, and very clean. The city, yes, downtown Chicago is beautiful. But anyways, Nvidia looking very, very good, guys. And now let's get to Apple. As you already know, Apple released a new lineup, and we're keeping an eye on what it's gonna do. But you already know, guys, that we are gonna go up and down. We already did that. So the speculation, buying the rumor of the new Apple products, took us to 240s. Then when they release it, sell the news, took us down to 220s, and now we're back up to 236.70s. So it says over here, Bernstein says Apple is the AI gateway and iPhone 17 interest holds. So I believe there's a good number for pre-sales. And I actually, if I were to buy a new phone, if you guys donate to me and I get enough, I'm kidding, guys. I mean, if you guys did that, I will definitely buy the iPhone, because I do want to have a new phone. My phone is all cracked up, and I don't know, even though it's not the best upgrade, I need to upgrade my phone. And Apple, as you can see on the weekly, we're not oversold, we're not overbought, we're actually in the middle of the transition, so potentially continuing with our uptrend. Let's see what happens today, because we are getting to our resistance. Maybe we can fall down if we don't get enough good numbers, but that doesn't mean that we're gonna crash. That means that we may create a support, and if we do create that support, that's gonna be awesome. And if we do break the resistance, wait for that pullback. That pullback is gonna be good and can take us even further high. So definitely want to watch out for Apple. I'm keeping an eye on it. I still buy. My strategy for Apple is DCA. I don't even care, because I do like Apple products. It doesn't matter. It's not innovating. That's fine. It's a good environment to be in. But anyways, that's my perspective. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Now let's go to Meta, guys. Meta 766 pre-market. Yesterday closed at 764. Meta breaking a resistance, doing very well. I just want to keep an eye on it, because let's see. Let me tell you what's coming up. So it says over here, Meta $800 glasses rumored. Okay, $800. That's actually not bad. If we were to go higher for Facebook, let's do a Fibonacci. This can definitely lead us or provide us a little bit of clarity. Let me get my Fibonacci. From the top to the bottom. And you can see that we can still go to 818, even 900s. And if we want something more crazy, 1,177. But obviously we gotta go up and down. It's never one direction. You can see we gotta go up and down, never one direction. Up and down, never one direction. So keep an eye on Meta. If it does go down, draw opportunities. Okay. Okay, moving from Meta, let's go ahead and open the stock market heat map before the market opens because it's about to open. So let's do that. And yesterday you can see we had, it was a little bit mid. We had a little bit of green, but a lot of red over here in finance, health technology, consumer non-durables. Tech was doing pretty well. Intel is actually not bad, 24.79. Tesla 3.5. Transportation over here, you can see Uber 3% to the upside. I think I called out Lyft as well. That's gonna be a good one if you want to make some good profits. AMD is doing well. So let's wait for this minute and see how we're gonna be looking like. Crypto bubbles, on the other hand, let's see how they're looking right now. Crypto bubbles are actually in the green. Very, very nice. If we get that rate cut, I'm thinking that we're gonna go green, guys. Okay, here we go. The market has opened. Let's go ahead and refresh the stock market heat map. Stock market heat map. Google 4.4%, Oracle 3.4%. May refresh it over here. Yeah, this is from yesterday. There you go, there you go. Now we're looking good. Oracle 3.9%, Tesla 3.5%. Okay, we got a lot of red in health technology, finance, consumer non-durables. Okay. And let me see over here. Let's go ahead and check out the market. Things that I'm watching. Let's go ahead and review Rivian, 1382s. Man, Rivian, I really like Rivian. I just want to see it go up. But I don't think Rivian may not go exaggerated. Like, I don't think it's going to pop up like now. It could be like around next year. So let's keep an eye on this. I do like Rivian. It's at 1383s. It's not a bad price point. It's accumulation phase. Palantir 170s. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's keep an eye on the dailies. NIO 650s. Pretty good as well. This one I want to look at the weekly. TeraWolf is at 1057, bro. This one may be doing good things this week. I think we're gonna break this resistance. We're gonna be going to $15. I think we can. SENS 45 cents. Not a bad candle. Let's see what happens today. Other things that I'm keeping an eye on. Let's see. JetBlue 491 Airlines retracing. That's Delta Airlines retracing. Yep, it's a little bit overbought, and the RSI is telling me that we had to go down. It's actually not that overbought, but the crossover here in the RSI is something that I'm gonna keep an eye on. Let's see what else is moving. Look at Lyft 1967. There you go, guys. Look at that. Our target has been reached, and it even went above it. Now we got the 200 EMA. Expect some pullbacks if we get it, bro. Draw opportunities, like I said. Congratulations. But I do see more upside, bro. I do see more upside. That retracement that's going to happen is something that I wanted to see. That's going to be the last retracement that I want to see before we can actually push up. Dan Ives believes it can go to $50, so I'm on the same page as him. Disney 115.83. Disney is getting ready, guys. Look at this golden cross here. Something that you want to keep an eye on. Netflix is at 1,205. I mean, Netflix after that fight, the Canelo fight, bro, we can definitely be going higher whenever we get the other earnings report. Tesla 414. And let's look at Bitcoin. I haven't looked at Bitcoin today. 115,405. Ethereum 4,500s. Look at that. We almost got to the target. Gold 3,693. Gold doesn't stop. It's still going and going and going and going and going. It's crazy. So bullish, bro. Gold so bullish. And the DXY, bro, is tanking, bro. The dollar is going down. Look, didn't we talk about this? Visiting the next support area. Look, it's doing it. Look at the daily, bro. Yes, sir. See that? See that? We haven't broken out. That's why I didn't get more buys, bro. So that means euro is going up. Wow, man. And I had so many buys, bro. GBP USD going up as expected. USD APY down. Consolidation zone, but it can drop. That's the things that I wanted to review, guys. Rolls Royce 1580s. Oh my goodness. Still going well. But anyways, that's what I wanted to talk about. I want to do a video though regarding a topic from Puerto Rico. I'm gonna make it as let's see over here if I can get it. Dímelo, Gamer Luck. How you doing, bro? I'm almost done, bro. Gamer Luck en la casa. What I plan? Working, bro. You already know I work. After this, I gotta work, bro. So I gotta say goodbye. I'm gonna record a video right now. And then, ooh, we got a sub. Let's go. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Oh, we're growing, bro. Not gonna lie, this channel is growing, bro. But I want to talk about something from Puerto Rico, very close to home. I don't usually do this type of comments, but I thought it was worth doing it. I don't love him, but I gotta give him props when there's something good that has happened. So I'm gonna do a video about this. Okay, guys, let me share this with all of you. And he says, it goes like this. Bad Bunny just did what Bad Bunny just did what politicians couldn't. His residency, No Me Quiero Ir de Aquí, in Puerto Rico broke records. 30 concerts, over 600,000 people, and a massive 713 million boost to the economy. Almost 4 times what was expected. Tourists stayed an average of 9 nights, spending on hotels, restaurants, nightlife, and more. This wasn't just music, this was history. Bad Bunny turned concerts into an economic revolution for Puerto Rico. Isn't that crazy? And you already know, if you want more updates, subscribe. We do the videos con mucho amor. Okay. Let me actually fix this because for some reason it wasn't correct. Yeah, work hard, bro. Good luck. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Y dice, Bad Bunny just did. Espérate. Let me make sure that I'm doing this right. Let's record. Bad Bunny just did what Bad Bunny just did what politicians couldn't. His residency, No Me Quiero Ir de Aquí, in Puerto Rico broke records. 30 concerts, over 600,000 people, and a massive 713 million boost to the economy, almost 4 times what was expected. Tourists stayed an average of 9 nights, spending on hotels, restaurants, nightlife, and more. This wasn't just music. This was history. Bad Bunny turned concerts into an economic revolution for Puerto Rico. And if you want more updates like this, subscribe. We do the videos con mucho, mucho amor. Okay. Now let's do it in Spanish. Let's do it en español. Bad Bunny acaba de hacer lo que los políticos no pudieron. Su residencia, No Me Quiero Ir de Aquí, en Puerto Rico rompió récords. 30 conciertos, más de 600,000 asistentes y un impacto económico de 713 millones de dólares. Casi 4 veces más de lo esperado. Los turistas se quedaron en promedio de 9 noches, ganando en hoteles, restaurantes, vida nocturna y más. Esto no fue solo música, esto fue historia. Bad Bunny convirtió sus conciertos en una revolución económica para Puerto Rico. Si quieres más información como esta, suscríbete, sígueme. Hacemos los videos con mucho, mucho amor. Well, guys, that's gonna be it for today. And as always, have a beautiful